Today, Max, Pandi, and Bobo learn to clean up. In this story, Max learns to clean up. Max, Bobo, and Pandi are excited to play in the toy store play corner. Max has fun playing with blocks and toy cars, while Bobo and Pandi watch and join in kindly. After lots of fun, more toys are now scattered around the play rug and floor. Bobo notices the mess and gently reminds Max that it is time to clean up after play. Max begins picking up toys and putting them back with a willing attitude. Max and Pandi clean up together, while Bobo watches proudly. Most of the toys are back in place, and the play area is nearly tidy again. Max learned that cleaning up after play is kind and helpful. Max tidied the toys. Now Pandi will clean up rubbish. In this story, Pandi learns to throw rubbish away. Pandi, Bobo, and Luna were enjoying a happy picnic in the park. After the snack, Pandi accidentally left the wrapper beside the picnic blanket. Bobo gently reminded Pandi that rubbish belongs in the bin. Luna showed Pandi where the rubbish should go. Pandi carefully picked up the rubbish from the grass. Pandi carried the wrapper carefully to the green rubbish bin. Pandi placed the wrapper neatly into the bin and helped keep the park clean. Pandi learned to put rubbish in the bin, and the friends enjoyed a clean park together. Pandi put rubbish in the bin. Now Bobo will put books back. In this story, Bobo learns to put books back. Bobo, Luna, and Pandi were enjoying picture books together in the library. After reading time, a few books were still on the table and rug. Luna gently reminded Bobo to put the books back after reading. Pandi pointed to the shelf where the books belonged. First, Bobo gathered the books from the table and the rug. Then Bobo returned each book carefully to the shelf. Bobo felt proud, and the friends enjoyed reading together again. Bobo learned to put books back, and the friends enjoyed the tidy library together. Hope you enjoyed this story. Subscribe to Bobo and Friends for gentle preschool stories about kindness, safety, and good habits.